Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Honorable High Court has been pleased to set aside the order passed by the Honorable Session Judge sitting at Ponda. The court has held that order passed by the Session Judge or Additional Session Judge sitting at Ponda was an illegal order. In any case, it was the case of our case that it was a highly obnoxious order. Such an order ought not to have been passed, and unfortunately there was gross non-application of mind to the earlier order granted by that very court, which in fact had permitted us to leave the country. Even if there is a violation of a condition of bail, it does not automatically mean that the person's bail should be cancelled and that he could be taken back in custody. The law on the point is that if there is any violation, there has to be an application of mind to find out, by virtue of that violation, if the administration of justice has been affected or not, and if investigation has been hampered or not. Now that was not even the case of the prosecution, that by he leaving the country for more than one occasion, the prosecution could not, or the investigating agencies could not investigate. Nothing of that sort. So this was, as we have already said, that this is only a political vendetta. It's still that it is a blanket order. So now if Mr. Palekar wants to go wherever he wants to go, he need not go back to the court and ask for permission.